The search for a vaccine could be done sooner than you think. December 14th, the earliest expected date for COVID vaccinations to get underway in Arizona. The first rounds of the Pfizer vaccine could make it to huge swaths of frontline workers as they face an influx of patients. ABC 15's Cameron Polam explains when it would be ready for the rest of us.
All signs point to Pfizer being the first vaccine to get FDA approval. Once it happens, two of our state's largest hospital systems are prepared to receive hundreds of thousands of doses in a matter of weeks.
We expect that vaccine will be in significant numbers that we can reach the Tier 1A.
Banner Chief Clinical Officer Dr. Marjorie Bessel is talking about the state's priority population. In the rollout plan submitted to the federal government by state health officials, Tier 1A consists largely of medical workers of all kinds, emergency first responders, even school nurses, a group that's estimated to make up nearly 470,000 Arizonans that have been on the front lines since the beginning.
We believe that the earliest possible date that we would receive vaccine would be the week of December 14th.
By then, they hope to have at least 3 mass vaccination sites set up and staffed. The Phoenix Fairgrounds, already being used as a drive-up testing site, will soon dole out vaccines as well.
We're also providing flu vaccines there, and we feel like we will be prepared to provide COVID-19 vaccine when the time comes.
Those being vaccinated will require 2 shots 28 days apart. Dr. Michael White with Valleywise Health says the first round could take some time.
So we're going to see this, vaccination plan over a number of months.
The next phase will see those in Tier 1B get vaccinated. That includes other essential workers like police, teachers, grocery store workers. It also includes those at highest risk to the virus, long-term care facilities, people with underlying health conditions, and those over 65, a group that makes up a whopping 3.8 million Arizonans.
We'll be responsible for the northeast part of Maricopa County.
Dr. Stephanie Jackson is the Senior Vice President for Honor Health. They'll also be running a drive-up vaccination site in partnership with County Health.
We're going to have a location that's going to be near the 101 and I-17, and we estimate we'll be able to vaccinate about 1,000 folks per day.
The hope is to vaccinate around 15,000 people with the initial supply from that location. With millions of doses set to be given out across the state, she's urging the public to have patience.
Your average healthy person who doesn't work in one of these unique situations is probably going to be more late spring, early summer.
I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15, Arizona.